What is up, you guys? Happy Saturday. Brittany and I are heading to Woodbury Commons because we want to go to the Coach outlet, and Brittany needs some new Crocs. Jess needs a new pair of boots, but he's not coming with us. It's a girls' day today. And we're just going to do some perusing around Woodbury. So we wanted to bring you with us. So it is a beautiful day here in New Jersey. It's almost 80 degrees. It's quite humid though, hence the hat. But dressed in a nice sporty way. I have on some nice flowy pants and some sneakers, some Pumas, I think. Am I wearing Pumas today? Yeah. So, not that you care, but people ask. All right, so let's head to Woodbury after getting some gas, and we'll see you at the outlets.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to...
What'd you get, Toots? Ooh, Brittany got a Michael Kors backpack with the ballerina pink trim.
It's dust pink.
Dusty rose, dusty pink. That's beautiful. Now, what is that strap for? Is that the one that goes? Oh, they attach. So nice.
Came out really nice packaging.
Yeah.
I like how they like make it nice and.
Mm-hmm.
And I got some Crocs.
And you got Crocs. And then Brittany got these. Brittany got some charms for her Crocs. Gibbets, apparently they're called. And
my Crocs.
She got this lavender color. I don't know if it's picking up, but it's lavender. It's not white. Real, like a light lavender. Very pretty. Love it. So there's Britt's Crocs. Look how cute. You love them?
Yeah. And Snoopy reminds me of Nelly.
Yeah, Snoopy does remind me of Nelly too. All right, use them in good health, my love. We've got tired puppy girls.
I think they want to go home.
You girls done? You want to go home? Where's she going?
See the kids.
Yep. So we're home, and I'm going to do the unboxing. Please excuse the sweatiness, but we were at the dog park. We took the girls to the dog park for a little while. I think you may have already seen that clip, but if not, that's what we did. And it's so hot. So I came home and just threw a pair of shorts on. I'm going to take this hair tie off my wrist, and I will show you. Hi, Nelly. Let's get into the unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it. But we went to Coach. I wanted this bag for such a long time, but I went today and I looked at all of them because there were so many, but I really wanted something for the summer that can transition into fall. And a lot of the, the blacks and the browns, to me, they're very fall into winter. So I chose this bag specifically because, one, it has a little bit of edge to it. And two, I feel like the transition of this from summer to fall. I mean, you could use it in the winter if you want, but I kind of foresee it being more of a summer to fall bag. Let us unbox this or unbag it. It's in a bag. Because we went to the outlets, here's the Coach. Comes in this beautiful little bag. Doesn't need a big box. I'm not all about it because I wouldn't save it anyway. But it does have a lot of stuff and fluff. So I'm gonna open it up and show you what it is. It's very exciting. So this, let me take this out first.
That might be the strap.
Yeah, but you know what? I think I need a scissor. Hold on, you guys. But let me tell you, this is very substantial. There is no joke. Very, very long time ago, I think it was, and I can remember it was like 2007 or 8, is when I got my first Coach bag. And it was kind of like the introduction to designer bags. And it really showed me the difference between designer and not designer, the quality and the workmanship. So this is really cool. It comes with 2 straps. So I want to show you the first one. Here it is. I'm going to show you this close up because look at the detail on that. You see this? That is beautiful. Beautiful, heavy. It's got 2 clasps that both spin. Look at this. All right, then it has another handle, which is a shorter handle. So if you want to wear this bag over the shoulder, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. And it is a navy blue. Do you see where I'm going with this?
Look, it looks like a choker.
It does. And again, the workmanship on this is gorgeous. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. And then the big crossbody part, I'm going to open up for you now. They really do a good job of packaging this so that, you know, no scratches or tears or anything gets in the leather. Look at the buckle, nice and thick, and look at that. So it has the word Coach inscribed on the metal, which is super, super nice. And I love that they have the double tab right here. This is quality. This is no joke. This is actually really, really nice. All right, let's get into the bag. Which bag did I get? What do you think? What do you think, considering that you saw the color of the straps? This is a lot of packaging. I don't have scissors handy right now, so I'm gonna just, hey, it doesn't look like this. This is all protective stuff. So let me show you. Yes, this is the denim. Oh my God, look at this. This is the denim bag. Hold on, let me take this flap out. This is the little flap. It's for protective purposes only.
That's a pretty bag.
This is gorgeous.
Looks like a pair of jeans.
Looks like a pair of jeans. Okay, hold on one second. Every single thing has covering on it. You can even, wow, I'm going to even show you later. There's little screws in the back here to hold this on. Let me take all the packaging out so I can show you because I want to do that. And here's the little dust bag, if you're curious to see.
It's called the Chain Tabby Shoulder Bag.
The Chain Tabby Shoulder Bag. Okay, so let me get all of this packaging out and we will show you the bag. All right, guys, we're back. And here's the bag. Look at this. This is so awesome. This is right up my alley, and I'm going to tell you why. I am going to put, first before I put everything on it, I do want to show you there is a nice zipper in the back, and watch how smooth. Oh, when you get a good quality piece, that zipper is, I'm all about it. It just goes so easily, like butter. All right, now let me show you the inside of this bag. What's it called again? Britt's gonna tell us again. But look at all the
Chain Tabby Shoulder Bag. 30.
Chain Tabby Shoulder Bag 30. So we have one pocket in the front, right? And then we have a little pocket in the middle, and then the big pocket in the back. So technically you have 3 pockets. You have a pocket zipped in the back. And let me show you. Do you see how thick and substantial this is? How gorgeous is this bag? You got your leather tab that says Coach. I'm gonna put the chains on it because I want you to see it. And if you know me in my personal life and you know me through YouTube as long as I've been on here, then you know this is got Lori's name all over it. You can wear it with the chain. You can leave the chain dangling and put the strap on it. See that? Very edgy is exactly how I would describe it. And this is what I like. I like edge. I like something that not everybody has. That's what I like. So, you know, you're going out, you want to put this on your shoulder, you want to use this instead. I mean, there's so many ways that you can wear this bag, but I kind of like the chain hanging like that. I think that's awesome. And then if you want to wear it crossbody, you could put this on it. So here it is with the crossbody on, and to be honest, I don't know if I'm going to use the crossbody much. To me, this is more of like a going out bag. Date night, going to a movie, going to catch some dinner. I absolutely love it. I love the gold. I love the chain. And I think I would probably take this off, keep that in my closet with the rest of my bags, and I would likely use this. So let me put that back on. And there you go. That's probably how I would wear it. I could see wearing this with white pants. I mean, like an all white outfit, and maybe, or like a white blouse, white flowy pants, this bag, a nice necklace, and maybe like some denim espadrilles, or, I mean, even in the fall, you could wear this with boots. Like, I don't know, I just love it. And I wanted to share it with you. I don't really buy designer bags too often, but when I do, I like to share. So this is my new baby. This is the Coach. All right, so that was that. Hey guys, by now you've seen the unboxing. We had a wonderful day together. I'm filming this outro while we're at the dog park, just because it's getting late in the day and I'm sitting here holding the leash. And I don't want to miss the opportunity for making this video outro for you. So thank you for coming with us today. I love you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.